Hi, I'm Colin at MIP, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to fit the side wedges set.
Firstly, make sure that the bed is at a safe and comfortable working height for yourself. Next, place the connecting sheet on the bed in the correct location, identifying the connecting straps. These are then passed underneath the mattress. Locate the straps at the other side of the bed and connect the buckles, adjusting to tighten. The wedges are then attached using the hook and loop strips.